a robot here.
Alright, and that's good.
Front,
Do you see how we've got these two connected right here?
are you right hand or left hand? Okay.
That would cause a problem.
You're going to take the soldering wire. You always want to have at least about this much in your hands. Okay?
So,
at all times, the best you can. So once you get to about here, you'll stop. And you'll go in there and
put this
grab
little copper stuff on it now.
You're going to hold this with your left. And then we're going to take the soldering iron.
Okay, now
and you're
poke
going
that
to put the
right
soldering tip on this big metal round plate in the center, okay?
Hold it for a few seconds.
Go ahead and
Yeah,
grab
that's
your
probably good.
wire.
I'll do it again. I didn't pull it away. Sorry.
And go ahead and grab your iron. There you go. So you're going to put, before you put the wire, you're going to put the iron on the metal plate first to get it kind of warm. You want to turn it so it's kind of flat. There you go. Now go ahead and put it all the way down. Now go ahead and take the wire.
So that was called a bridge right there.
And touch.
That happens to everybody, so don't worry about that. But you gotta be
You're gonna make a
careful,
little
otherwise
puddle.
they'll bridge together like that.
Yep.
Okay, so
Go ahead and feed more
you just
wire.
need to make sure that it works.
Now
And then
keep,
it's yours.
you gotta keep the iron on. Keep the iron on the plate. There you go. Keep the iron on the plate. There you go. Leave it there. And only move the wire,
There we go.
not the iron.
And now, if you want to just cut those little ends off so they don't poke you, then it's yours.
Now how do I grab them? Like without...
You have to pull it away and just, yeah, like that. It just takes practice.
Yeah, you can cut it all the way down
There
here.
you go.
At the very
That's a good amount. Now go ahead and put the iron back in the holder.
Yep.
Now as you're looking at
Then you go everywhere.
you'll see a nice little bump. Alright. We're going to go ahead and put the battery casing in. The casing has the two little tabs. Those two tabs are going to go in these holes here. One there, one there. This is the bottom. This is the top. So you're going to go ahead and put it inside the backside. Then you're going to flip it over, holding it in place, and lay it against the wood so we can solder the prongs, okay?
Will
You
this
can let
be
go of
hot
it.
after soldering it?
It will be for a few seconds. Go ahead and put that to the side. Yeah, just leave it there, because you got to put this in your knee too.
Would this be hot or not?
It's a little warm right now, it's not hot. It cools pretty quickly.
Yeah, you're welcome.
So if I put it like
Don't forget this piece.
Yes.
You're welcome. Hi.
So now you're going to hold that with your finger and flip him over. Yeah, it's a little...
Okay. So go ahead and take everything out of here.
You gotta, it's, hold on, turn it back. So remember, this is the bottom and that's the top. So you want, yes, like that. There you go.
So we actually have two kids this year, so we have this one. Anyone here can like give you how to make the plate, or if you've taught it before, with the advanced one, which takes a little bit longer, so I don't know if you know how to do that one. I'm going to refer you to someone else.
You gotta start with this guy face down, and then take the battery pack and put those two legs in these two holes.
Never taken the bill.
Want me to do it real fast?
Silver tab at the bottom should be pointing toward his feet. Yep.
You do a little hit, and then you go to one of us. It's like you see what he has.